How big's he going to be when he grows up?
Brown mackerel tabby, Persian cat. You're going to hear a lot of the same words. Short, well-rounded middle piece. Short little tail to balance it off. Rounded top head, width across the face, completeness to the lower jaw. Short snub nose, deep nose break right between the eyes. Beautiful, big, round, open eyes, expressive face, nicely rounded tipped, small ears that blow on the skull, beautifully grouped and presented. And this is one of my top two. Beautiful coat, beautiful pattern coming in, beautiful substance. This is going to be a baby grand. Yes, you are. Yes, I predict. Best kitten in show. He says, of course. Thank you all. Have a good time.